If you're a brand new real estate agent, you are walking into one of the most competitive industries in the world. You're competing against agents who have been doing this for 10, 20, sometimes 30 years. They already have the referrals. They already have the reputation. So the question becomes, how does a new agent stand out? Because the agents who figure that out early build careers much faster. Before we jump in, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Maggie. I'm a licensed real estate instructor and broker, and I help aspiring agents pass the real estate exam and build successful careers in this industry. One of the biggest mistakes new agents make is thinking they need to compete with experienced agents doing the same thing. You don't. The agents who win early are the ones who become known for something specific. Here's the first way new agents stand out. They become the expert in something other agents aren't even paying attention to. For example, some agents specialize in first-time buyers, relocation clients, luxury homes, investment properties. When you become the go-to person for something specific, people remember you. And this actually leads perfectly into something I want to show you. Before we continue, I want to quickly mention that this portion of the video is sponsored by Airbnb. And I think it's actually really relevant to what we're talking about today. Because one of the fastest ways new agents can stand out right now is by understanding short-term rentals and vacation properties. Let me explain. A few years ago, I had a conversation with a client who was thinking about selling a property, but the home had been sitting on the market longer than expected. And they asked me a question that a lot of sellers are starting to ask now. Is there another way this property could make money instead of just selling it? And that's when conversations about short-term rentals and Airbnb started coming up. What Airbnb has done recently is launch something called their real estate referral program, which helps agents understand how Airbnb works so they can better advise their clients. Let me show you something quickly. If we go to airbnb.com/RER, you can actually look at estimated earnings for properties. So for example, if we look at Miami and we estimate what a typical property could earn as a short-term rental, you can start to see how some homeowners might consider renting a property instead of selling it right away. And what I like about this program is it's actually free to sign up. When you go to airbnb.com/RER, you'll get access to an in-depth webinar explaining how Airbnb works, a toolkit to help you position yourself as the Airbnb expert in your market, exclusive local data about vacation rentals in your area, and you'll also receive a custom referral link. So when you refer clients to Airbnb, even if they already have an account, you can actually receive a referral fee, which makes it a win-win-win. Your clients potentially gain a new income stream. You become the agent providing more value, and you earn a referral fee on top of it. If you want to learn more about that program, you can go to airbnb.com/RER, and I'll also have that link in the description box below. All right, let's continue. The second way new agents can stand out in this industry is by becoming educators. And what I mean by that is this. Most real estate agents only show up when someone is ready to buy or sell a home. But the agents who grow faster, the ones who build strong reputations early in their careers, are the ones who are constantly teaching their audience something useful about real estate. Think about it. For most people, buying or selling a home is one of the biggest financial decisions they will ever make. And the truth is, most people have no idea how the process actually works. So when you take the time to explain things clearly, you immediately position yourself differently from other agents. For example, you might create content explaining the step-by-step home buying process, how mortgages and financing options work, what closing costs buyers should expect, how interest rates affect purchasing power, or even breaking down current market trends in your city. You could also talk about topics like investment properties, house hacking, renting versus buying, or how someone might turn a property into an income-producing asset. Now, here's the interesting part. When you consistently educate people, something powerful starts to happen. People stop seeing you as just another real estate agent. They start seeing you as the person who understands the market and can guide them through it. You become the trusted source of information. And when someone is finally ready to buy or sell a home, they don't start searching for an agent on Google. They already know who they want to call because they've been learning from you the entire time. That's the real power of becoming an educator in this industry. You aren't chasing clients. You're building trust long before the transaction ever happens. The third way new agents stand out is something that many experienced agents actually forget to do. They stay in touch with past clients. A lot of agents treat a real estate transaction like the finish line. The deal closes, the keys are handed over, and then communication slowly fades. But the truth is, your relationship with a client shouldn't end at closing. It should actually be the beginning of a long-term relationship because life changes. People's needs evolve over time. Maybe a few years down the road, your client decides to rent out a spare bedroom, convert a garage into a livable space, turn a property into a vacation rental, move to a larger home because their family grew, or even buy their first investment property. And when those moments happen, people naturally reach out to the person they already trust for advice. That's why the best agents stay in touch. They check in occasionally. They share helpful information. They answer questions even when a transaction isn't happening. And over time, something powerful happens. Instead of being remembered as the person who helped them buy a house once, you become their real estate advisor, the person they call whenever they have a question about a property, investments, or the market. And when you reach that point in a client relationship, you're not just generating one transaction. You're building a lifetime of referrals, repeat business, and trust. If you're thinking about becoming a real estate agent or you're currently studying for the real estate exam, understanding the business side of real estate is just as important as passing the test. That's exactly why I created PrepOnCall. This is my real estate exam prep platform. Inside of PrepOnCall, you'll find video lessons, flashcards, practice exams, study guides, all designed to help you pass the real estate exam faster. So if you want to learn more, I'll include that link in the description box below as well. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe because I post all kinds of videos to help you succeed in real estate. I'll see you in the next video.